Bro, look at this, bro. I do not know how it's the same size as my car.
Yo. Straight through. Bro, that bitch in the front seat with me.
Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? Pack just touched down. That's the first pack right there. Y'all just gonna see when we get to where we're supposed to be. But this the next pack. Amazon delivery. Just dropped this bit off. We're gonna do an unboxing on this one since I already opened that one. Oh no, that was kind of tough. I wasn't even thinking. Tear at preparation to open. Hey, unboxing with Devin. All right, man. Y'all ain't gonna be able to like tell because it's like a box inside of a box, inside of a box, inside of a box. That's inside of a box. But these are side markers. I'm not gonna tell y'all what color they are just yet. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see. Yeah, man. We finna go pull up on the Blur, man. I don't know how we gonna get this in the car. Finna go figure that out. So we about to go do. Gonna get that in the car. Finna go grab me a little quick bite to eat. Now we at the Blur crib, man. Bro, look at this, bro. I do not know how it's the same size as my car. I do not know how we about to fit this in, bro. Cause look at my trunk. My trunk, y'all know my trunk stays with stuff in it, man. Fill it to the brim. You know what? I'm gonna leave the spare out the crib, man. Hopefully nothing bad happens, man. And I don't need it. Cause I'm gonna have to call up Bryson. He gonna have to come get it cause I don't got it. We just gonna say a prayer. Cause you know God come through every time. No fail. Somebody finna cry about me having a tired.
Why the tires in the garage? I can barely get out my car.
Alright, man. Hopefully, well, ain't no hopefully. Y'all know I ain't got no back seat in this bitch, so we should have ample space now. Okay, I shouldn't have did that like that. Oh yeah, it should fit, slide straight through that bit. If it don't, then fully Louis shoes.
Yo. Straight through. Bro, that bitch in the front seat with me. I mean, I can still put my stuff in the car.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. So I was supposed to give y'all a little cold start at Roxy, but I got in the car and I just sat down. But as y'all can see, man, we is all road trip, mechanic shop packed. So we just gonna go ahead and get on that road, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to where we are supposed to be. Yeah. All right, y'all, what's good, man? As y'all can see, we got the Blur crib. We cheated a little bit. I thought we was working on this bit, you know, solo dolo, but we got a mechanic. I ain't complaining because I'm finna use the mechanic. I mean, I don't got it, you know what I mean? This bitch finna get done today. Roxy finna look like a brand new bad bitch. But I'm gonna pick y'all up in a second, though. I gotta eat, man. I gotta make sure something in your stomach, man, so you can build strong and growing bones, or whatever they say. This is what we working on now, man. Hopefully there's enough space to get her done. What is this one? scared the hell out of me, bitch. What are you in there doing? Fuck, man.
Everybody got huge ass exhaust tips, but me, I got these legs.
Oh, yeah, put
$20 up every week or whatever.
We got the motherfucking light out, man. The shit took. Nigga had to get dirty to get that bitch. Nigga did it, man. Goddamn.
Want me to hold that bitch for you?
Hell yeah, hold that bitch. Cameraman. Appreciate that.
Oh, yeah, we got that bitch.
Cameraman fly chicken to your fucking rescue, my nigga. About land. Okay, so we got the motherfucking new light.
Wait.
Hey, that's the one that changed colors?
That bit
Or
purple.
was it just the regular?
It's just regular. I ain't got money like that. Not yet.
Shit.
I like my toes.
Is this the right one?
That's why my shit still stopped.
Hold on that.
That's the other one. He said my shit just talk. Yeah, boy, you got leaves on your ass, boy.
Damn, bro, why you looking at my booty?
Hey, look, right in the damn camera.
Oh, nah, come on, man.
And this blue look different on your phone. Sauce. Like sauce.
I don't think this right, bitch. Keep grabbing the wrong one. Oh, nah, this right.
That's the right one? Okay, what we working with? Okay. So now what we gotta do is, you gotta plug that motherfucker out. Should be just simple. Let's see. Oh, he's struggling. Huh. Oh, there we go.
Damn, it dirty as hell. For the, what they say? Out with the old, in with the new.
Yes.
That's it for real?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I knew you would know, Jalen.
Bro, I ain't that old, bro.
That bitch, hold on, wait. That bitch ain't even fit.
Don't break that bit, boy.
Am I tripping?
Got the right weight.
It's a certain way.
You ain't gotta press nothing down or
How the
something?
other one look, bitch? The same as that way? No key.
Yeah, that be the
That
same
bitch
way.
same. Should have fitted that bit on.
Oh.
Probably got a jam that bit.
Oh, there we go.
You got it?
Little piece.
Sauce.
So,
God damn.
how you got it out? You just popped it out?
Yeah,
The whole light?
yeah.
You might gotta test that bit real quick.
Gee.
Let's see. Nope.
Hold on, none of the other ones cut on either though. So it's not that. I ain't tripping.
You gotta turn that bit on.
That be on?
Yeah, that bit on.
That be a little tough with it.
That bit pink. Is it pink?
Okay, yeah.
You can
See how that bitch look at night, bro. That bitch stupid. Oh, little piece. I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I'm finna put this one in, and I'm gonna show y'all the after effects.
What up, my man? Oh, you want me to move for you, my bro?
Damn, you gonna do that for me?
Nah, you bro.
Parallel park that bitch.
You got so much space, but you don't need to move that bit. You don't need to move that bit, bro.
Parallel park that bitch.
You got no space. You don't need to move.
Parallel park it.
I can't try that part. You ain't got to, nigga, drive straight. Back up.
Bro, no, see, you fucking up.
Turn,
Went that way.
You good? It's a fucking car coming.
Don't matter.
You know what?
Go.
You know what?
That nigga go wait.
Keep driving.
Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. You gonna try to say, don't go ahead and crash your car. I was about to say, that's his new whip.
Huh? Yeah, that's his new shit.
Hey, back forward a little bit. So you can drive that way.
All you gotta do is delete my phone them.
Oh, damn, that bitch sound kind of mean. Yeah. Make my shit sound lame. Roxy, we gotta do something to you. Alright, y'all, man. So we had to make a little quick detour, man. My big brother tools, man, and cause where we was just at, the nigga sold me. He said, yeah, man, if you get the tools and come back, you know, I can do it right quick for you. So, shit, I followed up Donnie. I came and got the tool. He said, you know, I gotta go now. So I said, fuck it, man. I should have just went to my people's first, cause I could do it my motherfucking self. So now I'm doing it my motherfucking self. But the camera is low, so I'm finna get this done real quick. And then, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch y'all once I get it done. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's 2 days later. But Big Roxy is done though. So let's get a look at the lights, man. Hold on. Oh. What we think, man? We rocking with it or not? I know y'all can't see it that well because it's dark outside, but you get what you get and you don't get a fit. That pink in anyway though. Whatever. Y'all just gonna have to see it in the daytime in the next video though, because I'm going home. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe though, because I appreciate y'all for, you know, tagging along today's vlog, video, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, most def. Hopefully the boogeyman don't come out here and get me, so I'm gonna just go ahead and end it, man. Peace.
What mod should I do next? Parts are coming soon.